Have you ever wondered why it is that other people are so successful? Why it is that other people are so healthy, so well built? Why is it that other people are or always seems to be happy? Have you ever wondered? My friend, look at this. For example, just a grape, putting a grape into my mouth as you're watching this video. Apologies, but what I'm trying to get across is food and your mindset is very much the same. Your body, mind is not brain. Mind, body, actions. But besides that, whatever you put into your body, like for example, food, it's going to have a certain outcome, my friend. If you put junk food in all the time, your body's going to look like junk, to be honest with you. Your body is going to feel it, your body's going to look like it. If you put in fatty foods all the time. But if you put in good foods, your body's also going to resemble that. It's going to show and come across as healthy. Now, your success, your life, your everything is very, very similar, my friend. Whatever you put into your mind, whatever you're feeding your mind with, the videos you watch, the books you read. Behind me, you can see there's a list of books that I have right there. I've got more in order. But whatever you feed your mind with on a daily basis is what's going to determine your results. Remember, your outer world, my friend, is just a reflection of what's going on the inside. If you agree with me, just say, yes, I agree.